request your permission to humbly utilize your drill force. Right. Thank you, sir. Order! Halt! Open place! Halt! Ready? Halt! Halt! Sir, good morning, sir. Permission. Sir, good afternoon, sir. Yeah, Captain Martin.
Sir, what is your force about?
Sir, take that.
And good afternoon, ma'am. That's Lieutenant Colonel Frog, ready for inspection now.
Sir, off you go. Finding mine.
Sir, I want to see how check now.
Sir, join in.
Sir, ma'am, this is what they're doing, ma'am. Ma'am, we have JD names, ma'am. Sir, get the corpse off, sir.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Fargo, ready for inspection. Ma'am. Ma'am, I want to join the Army and be a veterinarian, ma'am. Ma'am, the Air Force does not have general orders, ma'am. Ma'am, we will not lie. Sir, good afternoon, sir. Ma'am, we will not lie, steal, or cheat, or tolerate anyone among us who does. Furthermore, I resolve to do my duty and live honor and so help me God. Ma'am.
Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am. Cadet Expedition Ford, ready for inspection, ma'am.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. Yes, Staff Sergeant Hartley, ready for inspection, ma'am.
Stop the clock.
Ready for inspection. Yes, ma'am. I want to be a fire. Commissioner. I want to be a fire safety engineer, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Sir, good morning.
Ma'am, join the Marine Corps, ma'am.
Cadet Music Airman Bell, ready for inspection, sir.
Ma'am, Honorable Donald
179659.
Ma'am, Donald
Ma'am, the Honorable P. Hank
J.
Sims.
Trump, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Sir. Repeat your test. Sir.
Sir, mission followed. Close place! Halt! Right, heads! Right shoulder! Halt! Column of files from the left, forward